Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 7th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure to check out the video that I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a pretty good little bounce out of fib level today and a nice impulsive move down. It does have a five-wave shape to it, so it does kind of lead me to think that this could go down, break structure to the downside and continue down. So I would definitely be waiting for that break of structure to the downside to help confirm that this really is back into a downtrend. Until that happens, especially if you do trade below the 1 hour time frame, you could probably keep on looking for longs because if this makes a higher low, it could just keep on going up. Like I said, with the five ways up, I definitely am leaning towards this happening, and then probably a pullback like a 1-2, and then possibly go down for a wave 3. I'm still very bearish on this thing overall, on like the 4 hour daily time frame, and then when you get up to like the weekly, monthly, I think we're in a big wave 3. So I think it needs to go down before it goes up to finish off this correction, which I believe is a wave 2 of wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.